Well, hi, good afternoon. I guess what I think is kind of interesting today, we've got a ton of news surrounding the day, and I'm sure everybody's heard about it. But there's also some stuff that's really pertaining to the ag markets, and there's something really pertaining to lean hogs. You know, we had some reports out of China today about some really significant food inflation there, and I think that that's a big one. Because if you want to tack down on the back of the fact that we've also had a lot of food inflation here in the States, it doesn't hit the main airwaves. We keep talking about deflation, or at least a lot of prices not rallying. Well, there's definitely prices going higher in that food inflation market, because we've got inflation, say 9.5% up year over year in the States. And I think we've got the fastest food inflation since 2012 over in China. So that's going to be a big deal. Kind of keep an eye on that one. Then on top of that, we've just got some good news on USMCA. It looks like that's going to be going through today. Nancy Pelosi made some remarks earlier. So the USMCA was one of the three tenets of the things that can make this market do better. And I'm talking the overall market, but especially in the ags. We can also see Brexit and something done with China help as well. But USMCA is a big deal. So keep an eye on that. It's going to have to trickle down. The markets really haven't overreacted with it right now, but that's another thing that I really wanted to keep an eye on, because that's going to help build a base. So also, we've also got this hog market, technically speaking, we're forming another flag formation that we've talked about earlier, with a downward trend line top area of that flag, and then another trend line at the bottom area of that flag, and we're kind of bouncing along the bottom area. So I think that we have to kind of watch the market. Maybe gives us a head fake, who knows? But that flag formation is definitely setting up, and we're kind of at that lower end. So you could get sucked in and try to get short there. It's a dangerous area. Wait until you see some more signs and some confirmation of a breakthrough or breakout, because that's going to be something that everybody else out there, technically speaking, at this time of year, is going to be looking at, because we don't have a ton of news. We had a WASD today. Hogs were a little bit better, but we have to wait and see if we can get something really to get our teeth into, because other than that, it's going to, again, we do have some food inflation. We've got that USMCA, and then finally, technically speaking, we really have to defend the lower end of that flag formation in lean hogs.